Hey everybody, it's Robin from Roaming with Rover. Guess what we have? Guess what we have? We have a Crochet Society box. Crochet Society. Love it. Okay. This is a past box because when I put my order in, you had the option of buying some past boxes and it didn't show up. And so I contacted the company and they resent it. So between the time I contacted them and resent it, it took a couple weeks maybe, not very long. When I originally ordered it, it was like 3 months and I hadn't gotten it. So I called them and they're like, oh, no problem, we will resend it. So this was the resent of the Crochet Society box. And I believe this is box number 39. I think this is box number 39. And it says in here, a lot can happen in a year. Isn't that cute? A lot can happen in a year. So I have to tell you, I have seen what's in this box because I watched Miss Dana from Dana's Wanderlust Crochet open this box. And that's what made me decide I wanted to subscribe to these boxes, was the box that she got that day. So I've seen it on a video. I have not seen it in person. Beautiful tissue paper, they always do. They take such care in packing these boxes. And right on top, I see King Cole Cotton Soft Yarn, and it's called Candy. It's a DK. It reminds me of the Dots yarn from Premier, I think it is. I have always wanted to try the King Cole yarn. Oh, soft, 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 soft. Oh my gosh. It is soft. Man, oh man. Okay, King Cole Cotton Soft DK, 100 grams, 229 yards. 100% cotton. But this is not your basic kitchen cotton. This is soft. 100% you could do a wearable out of this. Made in Turkey. That's why it's so nice. So I want, look at that. It's called, the color is 2857. It definitely looks like cotton candy colors though, doesn't it? I'm gonna have to go on their website and see if this is something I can find and get more of, because that is wonderful. Okay, the next thing in this box it must have fallen out of the wrap in transit, because normally I think this stuff is all hooked together. Okay, my understanding, and again, this is the new every other month box, so you're getting a little bit more yarn in it. I've never had one of the not every other month box, so I kind of don't have a comparison. But my recollection from watching other people open them is this is more yarn than you normally would get in a box. You get the stitch marker, which is oh, that's so cute. Can you see that? It's a little notebook. Darling, little notebook. A 4.5 millimeter crochet hook with the little speckles in it. Very nice. I actually don't mind their hooks. I find them pretty comfortable to use. And a planner. Plan, organize, create notes. This is what got me. I gotta tell you guys, this is what got me. I know that's silly. I know it is, because I can buy a planner. In fact, I have bought a planner. Whoops. There's a button. A button just fell out, so I don't know what that's for. I'm sure I'll figure it out. Cover came off, but it just pops right back on. Oh, I'll bet you that button has something to do with one of the things we're gonna make. There we go. So that's a decent little planner. So cute. Good things are coming. Plan, it's got the full month. Oh, I like the pages. So there's your month. There's place for notes. And then organize. There's a to-do list, priorities, today, what the date is. That's not bad. Create. Look at this. Grids. Oh, I love that. And then a place for notes. Lots of notes. This is a nice little planner. This is a nice little planner. It is not maybe the best quality 100%, but I like it. I like it. Get this thing to close. I have it all stretched out. I like the different sections in it. And I like one of these to keep it all closed. So create, organize, plan, and notes. This is going to be a really good crochet planner for me. It is the pages are not big enough for a daily work planner, which of course I already have, but for a crochet planner, I like that. That's going to work out really well. Let's put these back in the box so I don't lose all the little bits. Okay, Crochet Society, this is the December of 22 box. Let's see what they have in it. Welcome, contents, oh. Okay, the button is for you to make a pouch with a button on it. That's cute. Keep your essential tools safe with this handy pouch. Very nice. And the book is written in UK terms, but right there on the back, there is a chart to tell you what the differences are. And it takes one ball of this for the little pouch, and the pouch ends up being 19 by 16, so not very big. In fact, you can see they've got the crochet hook laying next to it, so that gives you a rough idea of how big that pouch is. And it's 19 by 16 centimeters. That's not too bad if you're making like a pouch for your supplies. Okay. Somebody's very loud. Yeah, that's pretty. So 19 by 16 centimeters, and if you divide that by 2.5, it gets you pretty close to what you are looking at, which I cannot do in my head. The stitch marker, okay. Everyday Luxury, King Cole, gives you a link to kingcole.com, so I can go there and find out more about this yarn. Soft and sweet. Has a nice drape, yeah. Okay, Magical Market Bag. I can 100% see this as a market bag. Lightweight, stylish market bag. But this is almost too nice to use as a market bag. And it uses both balls, which makes sense. And, oh, how to read a pattern. How to read a pattern. What a great article to put in here. Beginner's Guide to Getting Started with a Crochet Pattern. This is really thoughtful. And I don't know, having just now seen it, look, there's a chart too. That's my thing, learning how to read the charts. Wow. That's a pretty scarf. So there's the scarf that the pattern is for, that they're going to teach us how to read a pattern with that scarf. Very, very nice. Very nice. Okay. Very nice. Okay, and here's the scarf. It's called the Parisian knot scarf. very pretty. Boy, they're noisy out there today. Again, there's another picture of that scarf. I do like the scarf. This is soft enough for a scarf. And there's that chart. We're going to figure this out. Oh, very, very nice. And that's it. So we have the option of the scarf, which it says takes two balls, and I do like the scarf. Or we can make a market bag, which takes 2 balls, or we can make a little Percy thing, which takes 1 ball. And my understanding is they also are putting out a bigger pattern, a pattern for a larger thing each month, but you have to go to their website to get that. And I haven't done that yet. I haven't looked it up, haven't done it. So, very nice. I like the patterns. Each one of them is something I would probably make. I especially like that market bag. This is so nice. I don't know that I would use this for a market bag. What I'm half thinking, and I don't know if there's enough yarn here for that, but what I'm half thinking is a little baby sweater, a little cotton baby sweater. What do you think? Is this enough yarn for that? So that would be 450 yards for a baby sweater. I'm gonna have to look that up because I just saw this is called Blossom. That's its color name is Blossom. I just saw a pattern the other day for a baby sweater and I thought that doesn't look that hard. I think I can make that. And I think this would look so pretty in that. And it's just such nice yarn. I hate the idea of using it for a project like that. Now the scarf perhaps, although I'll be honest, I don't like this yarn for a scarf. For a kiddo, but not for me. I love the yarn. I absolutely love the yarn. That would make a pretty hat too, wouldn't it? I don't know. What do you guys think? What should I make with this? Should I just follow the box and do what it says? That would be a first. I love this box. This box is what convinced me to subscribe to the Crochet Society boxes. Again, you get a box every other month, and you can, when you subscribe, you can get 1 month, 6 months, or a year. And I did the 6 months, which is actually 3 boxes. So every other month we get one of these boxes. I love this. I absolutely love this. And I'm so very happy I bought the past box because I wanted this. I wanted this planner. I think that's going to be a great planner for crochet projects for the year. Thank you so very much for joining me today. Let me know, do you subscribe to the Crochet Society? Do you like that they've switched over to the every other month rather than the monthly? I have nothing to compare it to because I never got a monthly one. I am pleased. Thank you so very much. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.